Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a digital planner to sell on Etsy easy and quick. So first thing you will do is open Canva, which is a popular online graphic design tool that allows users to create a various type of visual content, including social media, graphics, wherever you want. So it offers a user-friendly interface in the wide range of pre-designed templates, stock photos, icons, fonts, wherever you want, and making it accessible to both professional and beginners. So first thing you will do once you want to use Canva is open and sign up for an account. So you can try Canva for free, or you can try Canva Pro to access to more pro elements and pro templates. And the second thing is choose a design type, and once you are logged in, Canva will present you with a various design templates. So you can tap here on the search bar and click on digital planner. Here you can write digital planner. It's because I did before, that's why I found it. And here it will present you with a lot of pre-designed templates, so you can browse through those templates and choose the one that suits your needs, or start with a blank. So if you prefer to create your design from scratch, so let's choose one from here and start. So let's choose a simple one and just start our design. So once you tap on design, it will give you more things like the design you have chosen, like you see here. So all these has paid elements. So here you have to pay for some elements to have these designs. And let's keep scrolling and find a simple one. And go with a simple one. You can tap on the specific design that you want here. If it was a daily planner or a notebook planner note. So like you see here, a lot of daily designs, notes. So let's choose one easy and start. So let's choose this one. And here guys, there is this is the pages. So you can find those wallpapers. I will show you how. First thing, click on customize this design, which is free. I think so. And here guys, you have your design. Now let's go to Pinterest, where I will download backgrounds, and let's see here, background. So here guys, on Pinterest you will find this theme that you see here. So like you see, you will find a lot, and you can choose and start customizing for this theme. Or you can change them to colorful. So I will try with a colorful theme, and let's choose. I will download now some pages with this theme and come back. So I did now, and all you need to do, I will show you what it's here. So first thing, you have here elements, and here guys you can add, like you see here, stickers. You can add linear and shapes, and you can add graphics, photos. So also this background photo, you don't need to go to Pinterest. If you want to, just click on here and they will give you the photos that switch the theme of these, like you see here. And here you have text, if you want to add text styles and text box. And here you have uploads to your own images, and here you have draw, and here you have your projects. And now go back to the first page, and I will show you. So first thing we will do is we will change anything we want. First thing is the background, so we will click on delete, and we can go to uploads. And here guys, you can click on upload file and upload the images you have now downloaded. wait for a second, and here guys you can tap on the image, and all you need to do is tap on it and click on set as a background. And for example, this is it now, and all you need to do is double tap on this and you can change the text. Sorry, wait for a second. And like this, and here guys you have year of so we can change this also to another quotes if we want to, and we will replace this. Double tap, you can I don't think I will keep it in that way. I will change it to this way here, and delete and paste the code. And here you can use these and change the text style if you want to. So here you have text styles, but I think I will keep this one and go with this. Like this. And you can change the color if you want to of the text. Just tap on the text, and once you tap on the text you can change the color to any color you want to from here. And we will keep this one, and also you have the text effects if you want to. Like you see here you have text effects, and you can choose the text effects that you want. So here you have like the background, so but we will keep it like this. And you can do the same with the second picture. You can like tap on it, click on the color, go to upload, click on the image and click on set as a background, and here you go. And you can keep doing the same with all the pages until you are satisfied with your design. And for example like this, and you can use more things here on elements if you want to, like here you have tables. If you want to add a sticker, you can add it easy and quick. You can add wherever you want. And this is it guys. Once you are done, you can click here and click on download and download your design. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.